Today, for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices, dear ladies and gentlemen, there is something extremely alarming in the Bitcoin charts. And I'm not telling about it's gonna dump or pump today or tomorrow. No, there's one thing which we have to pay very close attention, as it is indicative for where Bitcoin might be going within the next few days and weeks. This one pattern is a pattern no one is talking about, and I am going to talk about it today. Let's go straight into it. Of course, dear ladies and gentlemen, smash up the like button to a new all-time high. I'm going to talk about my multi-million US dollar trades on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on altcoins, on specific altcoins I am looking at right now. But more importantly, how we can rule the market, how we can profit from the current situation in the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency space right now. Let's go straight into it. Dear ladies and gentlemen, this video is going to be jam-packed. This video is going to be for you. And yes, I talked about this one here already. Bitcoin actually kissing the support, right? And well, I want to go a little bit more in depth today. I made this post here on, let me show you, over on Twitter, where I posted on X, where I posted this video. And then I also posted here the line in the sand, right? Just 20 hours ago. And what we can see here, this is not the point what I want to talk about, but I need to make this quick recap, is Bitcoin is here really at the line, in the line of the sand, right? Like the last support, the last warriors, the last resistance is basically at the levels of 91,000 US dollars. And you know how it is. The more often resistance get tested, the more likely it is to be broken. The same goes for support. The more often support, actually, here's another one, support is tested, the more likely it is to be broken. And this support got tested like 5 times already. So what we want is, we want a reversal rather sooner than later, because the more often Bitcoin is going to test this support, the more likely it is to be broken. It becomes weaker. The defense becomes weaker on support. And now I want to show you, which puts a little bit more oil into the fire here, unfortunately. This one specific pattern which is evolving. You can see the left shoulder here on the left-hand side. You can see, dear ladies and gentlemen, the head. In the middle of that pattern, we are on the daily candles. Please note that. And then you can also see the right shoulder on the right-hand side. And what we can see is the moment Bitcoin breaks 91,000 to the downside, not only on a VPVR level here on the volume per volume range, there is going to be a lot of thin air below us. Actually, the next support coming in and basically at 75,000 US dollars. No. Dear ladies and gentlemen, what we are talking about here is a potential. It didn't happen yet. Wait for the fact to happen, guys. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying short right now. You wait for the confirmed breakout. Otherwise, we can remain bullish. I mean, we are in a bull market, right? But if that break to the downside is happening, and that is just another 3% dump, right? And a daily close below, then we are talking about a price target of approximately 76,000 US dollars, which is surprisingly quite well in alignment with the next volume per volume range here, support coming in. So we are seeing a lot, and I want to talk about my trades shortly, a lot of things coming together, a lot of confluence coming together here on the charts. I am not a crash prophet, right? I'm not someone who is bearish at any time at any point of time for Bitcoin. In fact, I'm bullish at all time fundamentally and long term for Bitcoin. Short term, however, I am telling you when I want to be a little bit more cautious. And this is for me a non-trading zone. I am not going to go long. I'm not going to go short. If I would be a two-dimensional trader and not a long-only trader, I would go short if we break it on a daily candle, and I would short that at least to 85,000, maybe even to 76,000, but probably to 85 and take big chips from the table. But I am not doing it. I'm not going to short. I long or I wait. But this is something to look out for. This is something to be cautious about. If we reverse and don't break the support, the bearish scenario is not coming into place, right? So it might be that we are pumping and some keyboard warriors are coming out and saying, oh, Chris, didn't you say it's going to dump? No, I'm telling you at what scenario it is going to dump and at what scenario not. I am still keeping this long-term and lower risk trades open, like the Bitcoin trade, with the liquidation price at approximately 44,000 US dollars, a profit at 10 million US dollars, taken profits at 9 million, taken profits at 9.5 million US dollars. Ethereum trade is open, XRP trade is open, already more than $1 million taken in profit. The SUI trade is open, 650,000 US dollars in unrealized profits. The same thing here on BNB, 40,000, the XRP trade, 270,000. All of these trades still open, absolutely beautiful, and I'm keeping them open. Obviously, dear ladies and gentlemen, if you want to be trading as well, like I'm trading still, right? Even if you want to right now wait for the trading setup to happen, whether you want a long or you want a short, I have 5,500 US dollar bonus free for you. It's a 55,000 US dollar bonus basically on a 10x leverage on Bitunix. The link is down below. This is an exchange which I'm using myself, and I can see it in the affiliate dashboard. People are liking the exchange. You can sign up within like 10, 15 seconds or something. It's easy to trade. They have 300 trading pairs almost. So make sure you check it out. It's a top 20 exchange on CoinMarketCap. I leave you the link down below. This is an exchange I personally like to use. Like with every exchange, of course, there always comes a risk, right? Including Binance and everything. But this is definitely an exchange which, I like to use for trading as well. Link is down below. Click register and deposit to claim your own bonus here down below. But other than that, nothing else to say about the immediate short term for Bitcoin. Look out for the support here on the VPVR. Look out for this head and shoulders pattern. Look out for the price target I mentioned. And of course, if we are reversing all this bearish nonsense, which I hope it's going to be nonsense, it's going to be off the table. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. We are going to see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And if you appreciate this content, please like and subscribe. And as always, guys, bye. Bye.